Hey guys, welcome to another video. So as you can see here, I got me a couple of new toys for my ride out when I'm in the Camaro. I got a couple of GearPros. These come in 720p or 1080p. They retail for about $200 a piece. It also shoots in VGA. You can get these in a 1080p version, but I just wanted the 720p. I don't think I need 1080p. I just felt it was, it's more affordable too. But it comes complete in the packet with all the brackets and everything. And I'm gonna actually take these for a test run right now. At the end of this video, you're gonna see some footage. I'm gonna mount both of these and give you some footage on how they look. And if it's shooting in 720p, it's probably gonna be fantastic. Because a lot of the videos I post them in 720p. So as you can see here, it's obviously waterproof, dustproof. It comes complete with the entire kit here. It comes in a little kit here. You can pop this out, and here's the actual camera. This is the protective case that they come in to protect it from drops, waterproof, whatever. And well, let's see if it's got a little juice. And it does. All right. Charges USB, is micro SD card slot. And there it is. So one of this is touchscreen. Oh, the battery's a little dead, so we'll need to charge these up before I take them out, but we'll get these going for you. So that is the GearPro. All right, let's power down and get these bad boys charged up. Looking good, GearPro. A lot more affordable than the GoPros that I had. It was pretty expensive for those GoPros, and they didn't do anything more than some of the other knockoff brands did, but I just decided to go ahead and pick up a couple of more affordable GearPros and call it a day, because I wanted to start recording more footage on our car shows. So here they are. Let me show you what else comes in here. What you get. Get this open here. Another little box in here. And in this box, you'll have all the brackets to mount them on your car, paperwork, all that type of stuff, user manual. Here's all the different brackets you get. There's chargers, car chargers. This is the main one that I'll use, the suction cup. This is the one that I'll be using. Sorry about that, I was off camera, sorry guys. Adjust it, and the camera mounts up like this. And there it is. Get it settled the right way. That's how you do it. Anybody come on? Oh, gotta adjust there. Anyway, this is gonna be mounted. I'm gonna give you guys some footage. This is the main one that I'll use. I won't use any of the other brackets and anything like that. But these are GearPros. A little bit more, not much less. Not much. They don't cost that much less than a GoPro. But there's always alternatives, and that's what it's about. So waterproof, shockproof, drop proof. This case will take care of it, and it'll mount up to anywhere, helmets, all kind of stuff. See you guys in the next video, and I'm gonna go have some fun. There should be some video coming up right now from the car. Check it out.